what we have here is x factorial is equal to x cube minus x, and we have to find out the value of x. Okay, now what we are going to do is, let's take x common from here like this. X factorial is equal to x into x square minus 1. Okay, now for an example, 4 factorial is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, and we can also write like this, 4 into 3 factorial, and we can also write like this, 4 into 4 minus 1 factorial. Okay, so here we have x factorial, so we can write x into x minus 1 factorial. So let's do it. X into x minus 1 factorial is equal to x into x square minus 1. Now this x will be cancelled from the both sides. So we have x minus 1 factorial is equal to x square minus 1. Okay, now we have an identical situation like this. A square minus b square is equal to, we can write a plus b into a minus b. Okay, by using this rule on this side, and here we can write 1 square because 1 square is equal to 1. So our next step is x minus 1 factorial is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Okay, now x minus 1 factorial is equal to, we can write x minus 1 into x minus 2 factorial also. Okay, so we can do it. X minus 1 into x minus 2 factorial is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Okay, now this x minus 1 will be cancelled from the both sides. So we have x minus 2 factorial is equal to x plus 1. Okay, now x plus 1 we can write as x minus 2 plus 3. Okay, so x minus 2 factorial is equal to x minus 2 plus 3. We can write this also. Okay, now x minus 2 factorial is equal to, we can also write like this, x minus 2 into x minus 3 factorial. Okay, so let's do it. X minus 2 into x minus 3 factorial is equal to x minus 2, we put bracket here, plus 3. Okay, so let's move this x minus 2 on left hand side. We have x minus 2 into x minus 3 factorial minus x minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, now let's take x minus 2 common. So x minus 2, x minus 3 factorial minus 1 is equal to 3, and we can also write 3 into 1. Okay, now let's compare the factors. X minus 2 is equal to 3, and here we can also compare this. So x minus 3 factorial minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so x is equal to 3 plus 2, so x is equal to 5. Now let's take x is equal to 5 and put it in this equation. So 5 minus 3 factorial minus 1 is equal to 1. So 2 factorial minus 1 is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 minus 1 is equal to 1. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, now let's put this x is equal to 5 in our main equation. and main equation is x factorial is equal to x cube minus x. So 5 factorial is equal to 5 cube minus 5, and 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 125 minus 5. Okay, so 120 is equal to 120. So x is equal to 5 is the correct answer. And thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.